Good morning. Welcome to Nari Sikhi. This is Lakshmi. Today it's cold out here in Orlando. So I thought of making turmeric ginger tea. But when you're making turmeric ginger tea, make sure you add some black pepper because black pepper helps to absorb the turmeric in your body. Uh, and also some lemon juice for vitamin C. And for a sweetener, you can add honey. I usually don't add honey, but you can add honey. But make sure honey should not be warmed up or put it in hot water because honey loses the chemical structure and it's not that effective. So don't heat the honey. So here I have ginger. I have a lot of this ginger and turmeric harvested from my backyard. So I'm going to use one part of ginger and turmeric. Turmeric is a smaller portion. So you peel off the ginger with a spoon because you can reach the corners of the ginger. And same thing I do with turmeric also, peel it off with a spoon. I'm grating ginger and turmeric. What happens with turmeric is it stains your hands. So I'm okay because I love the smell and the stain goes away. But if you're not comfortable, always wear gloves or something. So my ginger and turmeric is ready for the tea. I'm going to crush some black pepper and this lemon. I'm going to squeeze it fresh. Take 2 cups of water and allow it to boil it a little bit. And now I'm going to add grated ginger and turmeric. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a quick stir. It smells heavenly. Keep stirring in between because it may overflow. Add black pepper once it's ready. And now I'm going to put up the stove. You can boil it just for 2 to 3 minutes and it's done. Put up the stove and let it stand for about 1 minute. It's ready. And this is the point you can add honey, any sweetener, and fresh lemon juice. It's spicy and this flavor of turmeric and ginger blends so well, and lemon juice. Black pepper also gives a nice heat to it. I usually like to have this in the morning, but you can just make enough quantity and sip it little by little throughout the day, especially during winter season. But this is many times my first morning drink. Do try it and let me know if you have any questions or comments.